Hey everyone, my name is Jared. I'm a former teacher who transitioned to instructional design back in 2022. During that transition period, I applied to over 150 jobs in a 9-month span and kept track of my applications in Google Sheets. The process was tedious, required manual input, and offered nothing in return other than to serve as a reminder of exactly how many jobs I had been ghosted or rejected from. So when I re-entered the job market in 16 months, I found a tool that made this process simpler. So today I'm going to show you how to use Teal's job application extension to keep track of your applications and offer guidance through each stage of the soul-crushing process that is the job search. Let's check it out. If you don't already have an account set up on Teal, go to TealHQ.com and sign up for a free account. Once you have your account created, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Teal Job Search Companion. Select Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Once the extension has been added, we'll select the puzzle piece and pin the Job Search Companion to our toolbar. If you select the extension, you can instantly search for jobs on a number of websites such as Teal, Indeed, LinkedIn, and others. But I'm going to head over to LinkedIn and search for a job there. On the jobs page, I'm going to examine the Senior Instructional Design job at Samsara. With the job selected, I'll open the Teal extension, and a link to the job will come pre-populated. I'll also have a drop-down list of options for the stage, which is currently set to bookmarked, but includes options for applying, applied, interviewing, negotiating, accepted, declined, rejected, archived, and no response. I can also indicate my excitement level and add any notes that I would like to before saving this link to Teal. Once this has been added to my tracker, I can select the Go to Tracker option to open the Teal website. With the position open in my tracker, I can see that I'm currently in the bookmarked stage. Here, Teal suggests that I review the position details to see if they match my experience and career goals. Conveniently, Teal imported all those details for me. The salary information is shown in the upper right corner, and information for the job such as the responsibilities, requirements, and preferred qualifications are shown below. Once I review the job information, I'll check the Review the Job Position Details box, and the tracker will update to indicate that I have completed the bookmarked stage. Now I'll select Applying. Here, Teal suggests that I get a referral and offers ideas on how to do it, such as seeing if I have any current LinkedIn connections that work there. It turns out that I do, and LinkedIn added them to the job post for me. So I'll go back to LinkedIn, open their profile from the job posting. The Job Search Companion adds the link and prompts me to add their first and last name, job title, company, email, and phone number. I'll add their name, title, and company now, and select Save Contact. There, we'll follow up with Relationship, or I can select Other. Goal, I'll select Informational Interview. Status options, I'm going to select To Be Contacted, and go to Tracker. And now this contact's information has been added. And I can go to the related jobs, type in the job that I am looking for, and it will attach them to that job. If I go back to the position, I can now find this person's information under my Contacts section. If you need help on what to say when you reach out to a contact, Teal does have email templates you can use as messages, such as this template for an introduction from a mutual friend. If you pay for Teal Plus, you'll have access to over 20 other email templates in addition to other premium features. Now that you've added a job and a contact to your tracker, continue to advance through the other stages following the checklist for the applying, applied, interviewing, and hopefully the negotiating and accepting stages. Good luck out there.